Hello everyone. I am Deniz, the CTO and co-founder of Soar Robotics, and I want to thank the Plug and Play team for featuring us in this event. We are an LA-based company, and right now the mobility space has a great prospect for the future, and a lot of exciting developments have been going on. But there's a huge roadblock, which is the connectivity problem that haunts this space, and we are developing a groundbreaking technology to solve this problem and take mobility to next level. So our grand vision is to build the telecommunication systems to empower the future of mobility. And right now we define the problem as that the current technology is built for low mobility and low data systems. And these technologies target average connectivity requirements for humans. And this is why they pose inherent limitations to fulfill the demanding and wide range of requirements of mobility and robotics. And up until now, the wireless telecommunication systems use model-driven approaches that depend on many assumptions based on empirical data regarding the environment and the equipment. And these approaches don't especially really work well when you try to solve things like the low latency and high reliability requirements, the extremely large number of users and high user densities, the high relative speeds, and the, of course, ever increasing number of devices that use up the available spectrum resources that burden both the radio access and the core network infrastructures. So especially with the coming 5G and beyond technologies, the optimal use of the available spectrum resources will be extremely important. And also this is why these new users need to exchange their critical data without depending on any network assistance. So we empower the connectivity layer for mobility systems. By using our solution, any OEM, Tier 1, and developer can connect their vehicle to any infrastructure, cloud resource, and other vehicles easily and without a need to reinvent the wheel every single time. And we are the middleware for vehicle and robotic developers to enable complex V2X applications without hassle. And all these connections create a superior, smarter, and safer environments, eliminating the limits of sensors. And we do this by providing a connectivity stack with physical layer optimizations that enables the best use of spectrum resources. And we offer a completely new technology stack to solve these problems. We implement state-of-the-art deep neural networks that are optimized for embedded hard real-time communication systems and address many of the inherent problems in the mobility and robotic space. So our main product is an AI-powered cellular modem with a common core embedded software architecture that can be easily configured to serve a range of different applications. And we have developed a framework that enables us to deploy real-time deep neural nets on FPGAs specifically trained to solve complex physical layer problems. And also, we're not dependent on any type of vendor-specific protocol chipsets. And we are able to optimize the quality of service settings dynamically and flexibly according to the specific use case to serve any type of vehicle, ranging from connected and autonomous cars, aerial vehicles, to robotic systems. And since we're able to optimize the physical and access layers with complex, deep, real-time deep neural nets, we're able to provide any type of communication protocol, LTE, 5G, DSRC, any the proprietary ones as well, with the best quality of service settings. And also we're enhancing things like the source channel coding, MIMO signal detection, the channel estimation, and out of coverage synchronization and congestion scenarios. So right now we're providing a production-ready end-to-end communication module that employs our novel technology. We enable companies in mobility and robotic space to deploy complex V2X and advanced connectivity applications with superior performance. And we believe that our underlying software architecture and IP will become one of the enabling technologies that goes into almost any type of connectivity device in mobility and robotic space. And we're also working to integrate our technology to empower the radio access network by leveraging the same underlying technology that we have been developing for our product, the universal connectivity stack. And so far, we have created excellent relationships with top-tier vehicle manufacturers, Tier 1s, and developers, and they want to use our platform to deploy their complex V2X and advanced mobility applications. And right now, we're raising around, our main goals are as such, we will onboard 5 major manufacturers and deploy our technology to more than 2,000 vehicles. And we want to expand our team, especially in the business development part. And we're also looking to partner up with MNOs, telco equipment companies to take our technology to the next level, as well as any company in the mobility and robotics space that is looking to implement advanced connectivity applications. Thank you for listening.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Dennis. So we have a question here for you. What types of enhancements does your core technology, excuse me, sorry, I'm just going to pop. What type of enhancements does your core technology enable for 5G and V2X applications?
Our underlying framework, AI framework, actually enables us to provide much more robust and resilient communications for mission critical applications. And another thing that we do great is actually that we're able to control the quality of service settings on the lowest levels possible, and that allows us to actually provide the exact requirements for any type of use case in mobility and robotics.
Awesome. Well, Dennis, thanks so much for your time. Unfortunately, we're running a little over, so we'll have to cut you off there. But
Yeah, thank you. Sorry
we'll
for that.
connect you with everyone that's interested. Thanks so much.